Hi, just a quick note about how to use the task manager to set relationships between the task and your identity markers. This is really kind of a cool thing about Ferant. I'm starting here in my About Me page, all right? And I've got my assets here and my life word here. And if you click on each one, it gives you the definition. You want to spend some time thinking about those and mulling those over a little bit, because when it comes to setting a goal for your life in the task manager here, right, we're going to click on that. We want to set goals for ourselves. We have goals and tasks. Tasks are more your daily work. Goals are more like uh, your important life goals for yourself. They might take more than a week to accomplish. Let's think one of my goals might be to read 10 books this quarter. Maybe that's something I really want to do. I'm going to hit enter, make sure I hit enter. So then now this is in my, um, it's been entered in as one of my official goals, right? I want to plan on doing it sometime this quarter. So I'm going to actually give myself a little bit of time. It's not going to be due until March 31st. So it gives me a good over a month to do it. So I set that on the calendar, but here is the tricky thing. I want you to see this. The relationship is really important. Which part of my personality does this relate to? Is this an adventure I'm going on? Is it my ability to take things apart and understand them? Is it my creative side, or is it my relational side, which is my life word? I like to talk to people. It is kind of more of that for me. That is why I selected this goal for myself. So I'm tagging it with that. So you'll see now that appears right down here. And as I go to explore that on my home screen here, it'll actually show up as one of my yellow, since I said personalismo, one of my ones that is not completed yet. So there it is, right? So I can click on that and it centers it, and it's just something I can keep track of that way. But let's look at it a little bit more closely. I can take this goal now and I can set a task that relates to it. So if I want to say, read the first 3 chapters in my independent book, all right, whatever it might be. I hit enter, make sure to hit enter. And now this is one of my official tasks that I set. Sometimes those come to you from your teachers, but I'm setting this for myself. I'm going to connect that. I can connect it to one of my uh, my identity markers here, or I can connect it to one of my overall goals that I set up. And the most recent one is here at the bottom. So I'm actually connecting that to my goal. And this is something that I want to do. 3 chapters, I can do that today, actually, or today or tomorrow. Maybe I'll give myself 2 days to do it. And so that is in as a task. When I'm done with it, I'll click done, and it'll appear in my completed tasks up here the next time I log in. Okay, so that's all I have for you right now. I just wanted you to see that how we connect ourselves, right? Our identity markers to the work we're being asked to do in school makes school a lot more purposeful, and we can also connect it to our things that we're trying to do in life, which are really important as well. So hope you enjoy it, and thanks for listening.